Hello students, welcome to Alam Academy. I am your teacher Mohammad Faz Alam. Today we are going to study a very important chapter in physics and the name of the chapter is light. Students, we all know that light is very important for all of us. The first thing is that without light we cannot see any object. बिना लाइट के हम लोग किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को नहीं देख सकते हैं. And apart from this, we have one more important thing about light. एक और भी चीज़ है जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है लाइट के बारे में. Photosynthesis process which cannot be completed without the presence of light. And we all know that by the help of photosynthesis process, plants prepare foods. And directly or indirectly, we all living organisms depend upon these plants. So I can say that the existence of living organisms is not possible on this planet without light. Now we have these topics here which we have to cover in this video. We will study one by one all these topics. एक एक करके हम सारे टॉपिक्स को पढ़ेंगे बच्चों. सबसे पहले वी टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज लाइट. लाइट क्या होता है? सो लाइट इज एन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव which does not require any medium to propagate from one place to another place and it helps us to see any object. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव ये क्या होता है? ये एक ऐसा वेव है जिसको ट्रैवल करने के लिए किसी भी मीडियम की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. नाउ लुक एट दिस पिक्चर हियर. इस पिक्चर में बच्चों हम ये देखते हैं कि इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम में ऐसे कई सारे इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स हैं हमारे पास. वी हैव गामा रेज, वी हैव एक्स रेज, वी हैव अल्ट्रावायलेट, वी हैव infrared, we have microwave, we have radio wave. So we all have these waves here. इन्हीं वेव्स में हमारे बीच में अल्ट्रावायलेट एंड इंफ्रारेड के बीच में हमारा एक विजिबल है लाइट है. इसी विजिबल लाइट के बारे में आज हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. इन बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन it is oftenly asked to arrange all these waves in increasing order of their frequencies or wavelength. So today I'm going to give you a short trick by which you can easily learn all these waves. आज मैं आपको एक ऐसा ट्रिक बताऊंगा जिसके थ्रू आप आसानी से इन सारे वेव्स को याद कर सकते हैं और उनकी इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर की फ्रीक्वेंसी और वेवलेंथ उनको भी आप आसानी से याद कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट दैट शॉर्ट ट्रिक. अब उस शॉर्ट ट्रिक के बारे में बात करते हैं जिससे आप आसानी से इन सारे वेव्स को लर्न कर सकते हैं. सो आवर शॉर्ट ट्रिक इज दैट गेम एक्स इज अल्ट्रा विजिबल इन माई रेडियो. अगर आप 2 से 3 बार इस सेंटेंस को बोलेंगे आप आसानी से इसे याद कर सकते हैं. गेम एक्स इज अल्ट्रा विजिबल इन माई रेडियो. वेयर game is for gamma rays, X for X rays, ignore this is ultra for ultra rays, ultraviolet rays, visible rays, infrared for in, my M for microwave and radio for radio wave. So if we go in this list from left to right, so the frequency decreases. So it means that the maximum frequency is of gamma rays. And from left to right if we go, then wavelength increases. So radio wave has the maximum wavelength. So now if you want to write it down, you can write it down. Okay students, now we talk about reflection of light. बच्चों अब हम reflection के बारे में बात करते हैं. We try to understand the reflection process by the help of an example. एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू हम ये समझते हैं. जब आप बॉल वॉल पे फेंकते हो तो क्या होता है? बॉल आपके पास वापस दोबारा आती है. ठीक है. In the same manner, when the light or the rays strikes a surface, what happens? It comes back in the same medium again. So this phenomenon is called reflection of light. Let's take a smooth surface. For example, we have taken a mirror here and the rays strikes this surface. It goes back in the same medium. So this arrow indicates that it is striking on the surface, and after striking the surface it is going back in this medium. So this phenomenon is called reflection of light. Reflection of light. Reflection of light. Okay, so the rays or the ray which is striking on the surface, this ray is called incident ray. This ray is called what? Incident ray. Incident ray. And after striking, the rays which is going back in the same medium, this ray is called reflected ray. This ray is called what? Reflected ray. So I believe you all have understood it. What is reflection of light? Okay. Okay, friends, now we talk about types of reflection. Reflection दो types के होते हैं. The first one is regular, or we can call it specular reflection. And the second one is irregular, or we can call it diffuse reflection. दो type के reflection होते हैं. पहला है regular. Regular reflection basically when we take a smooth surface. जब हम कोई smooth surface लेते हैं, for example, we are taking a mirror here, and when a beam of parallel rays strikes a surface, देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर रेज जो है वो एक सरफेस को स्ट्राइक कर रही है. What will happen? Reflection will take place. So after reflection, they go parallelly. Reflection के बाद जैसे वो आई हैं वैसे ही वो वापस भी लौटती हैं. So this reflection is called what? Regular reflection. This is called what? Regular reflection. The second one is irregular reflection. Let's take a rough surface. For example, rough surface लेते हैं. Now when the rays strikes on this surface, so what happens that it goes into a different directions. So this reflection is called what? Irregular reflection, or we can call it diffuse reflection. Diffuse reflection. I believe आप सभी समझ गए होंगे इसको. रेगुलर एंड इरेगुलर. फॉर रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन द सरफेस मस्ट बी स्मूथ, एंड फॉर इरेगुलर if the surface is rough, then irregular or diffuse reflection will take place. Okay friends, now we talk about some important terms which is related with the reflection. So as we all know that the ray which strikes the surface, this ray is called what? Incident ray. And after reflection, the ray which goes back in the same medium, that is called reflected ray. And the point where the incident ray strikes, that point is called point of incidence. That point is called what? Point of incidence. And if we draw a perpendicular on the point of incidence, so this perpendicular is called normal. This perpendicular is called what? Normal. Now we talk about the laws of reflection. So the first law of reflection says that the angle which is made by the incident ray and the normal, which is called angle of incidence, and the angle which is made by the reflected ray with the normal, that is called angle of reflection. So these two angles are equal. First law says that angle I is equal to angle R. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. The second law of reflection says that this incident ray, the normal and the reflected ray, these all lie in the same plane. In the same plane means that if we extend, so these all rays cut each other. So this is called lying in the same plane. So incident ray, reflected ray and normal are in the same place, are in the same plane, are in the same plane. So these are the two important laws of reflection. In next class we will talk about plane mirror and spherical mirror. We will also see that how these mirrors make the images. Okay, like I have a concave mirror for you. I will show you that how exactly the image is formed by this concave mirror. Okay, if you can see that quite large image is formed by this concave mirror, and we will also see that the image formation by the plane mirror, as I have the plane mirror as well here. So we will see that how exactly it forms the images. Okay,